So how many types of assets are there? Assets are of two types. Number one, according to the nature or the form of the asset, and number two is according to its time or liquidity. So according to the time and liquidity, the assets are divided into two: current assets and non-current assets. According to nature, it is divided into two: tangible assets and intangible assets. Current assets are those assets which is to be utilized within a year, whereas non-current assets are those assets which will be utilized in more than a year, or which will give benefit for more than 1 year, and current assets will give benefit for a year. So this is the difference between current assets and non-current assets. Tangible assets are those assets which can be seen from your naked eyes, or which can be touched, like chairs, tables, equipment, machinery, plant, which can be seen and which can be touched. Whereas the intangible assets are those assets which cannot be touched, like trademark, patent rights, prepaid expenses. So current assets and non-current assets both can be tangible and intangible.